Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure accessibility contrast checks with Stark for UI fixes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your design file in Figma. Ensure that the Stark plugin is installed and active. If it's not installed, visit the Figma community page and search for Stark. Once installed, locate the Stark icon in the right sidebar. Click on the Stark icon to launch the plugin. In the Stark interface, navigate to the Contrast section. Select the element you want to check for accessibility. Stark will display real-time contrast ratios for your selected element. Review the contrast ratio against the WCAG guidelines. If the ratio is below the recommended level, identify the colors used. Use the color picker within the Stark plugin to adjust your colors. Experiment with different color combinations until you achieve sufficient contrast. Once you find an acceptable combination, apply it to your design. Repeat the process for any additional elements needing contrast checks. After adjustments, revisit Stark to verify that all elements meet the standards. Finally, document your color choices for future reference. This process will ensure your UI is accessible and user-friendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.